My first lesson is associated with the use of slicers. To learn more with 3D printing, I tried to print something challenging, and I found an interesting project at the MakerWorld site. The project has several parts, and the main body looked most challenging to print. Man, I was so right that this would be challenging. I put this model into the Ultimaker Cura with a slicer that worked well for me before. The application generated the G-code file, which I saved and copied to the printer's USB drive. The printing started well, with no indication of any problems. But after completing about half, the printing started to fail the curved overhanging parts. So I had to pause and then stop the printing. The resulting part does not look good, no. Not finding anything wrong with the printer, I decided to try another application to slice the model. And after having the Creality print installed, I gave it a try. And look, the application reaching the overhanging part displayed a warning suggesting to enable support generation. What an eureka moment! From the settings panel, I chose the support tab and enabled it by selecting some options for type and style, and then initiated slicing again. This time, the process completed without any warning. The generated data have added support material, highlighted in green. Satisfied with the generated data, I am sending them to the printer directly from the application.